From this JVZoo account, you can see it's a live account. I took a screenshot here and we made $452,608 as an affiliate commission for promoting other people's products as affiliate. And we made another $260,000 selling our own product. And we paid over $121,000 in affiliate commissions to our affiliate, all with digital marketing, selling softwares and digital products. Now, in most of my videos, I show this Warrior Plus account where we generated $4.5 million in sales revenue from other affiliates promotions, and we paid them $2.6 million in affiliate commissions. And a lot of people are bored because when I say we made over $10 million in sales revenue and I only show this account, people get bored and keep asking, where are the other accounts? Where are the rest of the $10 million? So today I thought let's show you this JVZoo account. But I'm not showing this to brag about money. I'm showing this because JVZoo shows this one thing very specifically, and it is called visitors. All this money is made because these visitors purchased our products. They visited our website, our offer, our product, and they decided to purchase. We made sales, and the sales revenue is generated. Now, here's a great example. I asked ChatGPT to create a Ghibli or a cartoon or comic image to present the secret of making money online. This guy is telling this boy, see that? That's where the money is, in other people's pockets. And then he goes on and says, to get that money into your pocket, you need to sell something they value. And he shows something that they might value. Now the boy goes to the guy and have a conversation and try to understand what he values, then make an offer. Once this person purchased from him, the boy makes money. We made money because we got visitors to our offer. The visitor purchased from us and we made money. Okay, Mosh, I understood what you're talking about. Now, how can I make money? Listen, right now, there is an amazing opportunity. If you go to Facebook or any other social media, you'll see people making cartoon of themselves. And it's called Ghibli. Well, this is Ghibli. This is Ghibli. These are Ghiblis. Interestingly, these Ghiblis or cartoon images are really engaging. People love them, engage with them, and those people can eventually turn into visitors and eventually customers. Now, Ghibli or cartoon or anime wasn't really a new item. People made tons of money selling this kind of products and services on freelancing sites like Fiverr. But recently, ChatGPT included Ghibli, and it was hit again. This is what ChatGPT founder says.
What's the response been like? Any numbers for us?
I don't know if I can share an exact number, but like way more images than I thought the internet had like appetite to do. Like we will cross 1 billion total images in the not distant future. I can say that.
Oh, wow. So literally everybody is making these images, turning themselves, their families, their own photos into Ghiblis. Look at this. Even BMW posted these Ghiblis into their social profile, and the response has been amazing. Some of these are really funny. Look at this. Crazy, right? Now, as a digital marketer, the only thing I look into is how can I get traffic? How can I get more customers to my products and offers and make money? Because I know in order to make money, the only thing I need is traffic or visitors. So I came to Perplexity AI. I asked for a complete list of side hustles that 9 to 5 employees can perform within 1 to 2 hours per day and make money from home using the power of internet. I got a list of 16 side hustles. Perplexity also gave me how easy it is and the income potential of each side hustle. Here is one of them. We are on Etsy.com, and on Etsy I searched for Ghibli, and look at this product. This store made 3,338 sales. We want to know how much money they made. So I'm using a platform that analyzes Etsy stores and tell you approximate sales stat. Approximately, they made $84,582 selling these Ghibli images, characters, and graphics. One of them even made $15,000, and it monthly generates $788 in sales revenue. Isn't this crazy? Let's go to Amazon and look for comic. Using Ghibli type images, you can create comic books for kids, even for adults. This one has 2,862 rating. Approximate sales would be 28,620, and the Kindle version alone costs $11.58. So only the Kindle version generated $331,419 in sales revenue. And what about library binding? Yeah, $1 million in sales revenue from just one comic book. So basically, opportunities are amazing with this anime, cartoon, comic, or Ghibli type images, graphics, and videos. While the opportunities are endless, AI is not cheap. I pay $20 per month for ChatGPT and another $20 per month for cloud. So basically $480 per year just to use AI. And probably that's why a lot of people are scared to start using AI. Because whether you make money or not, you keep paying them money. I have a solution for you. Now you can make Ghibli images, Ghibli videos for just one-time payment. You will get the benefits of making these books and make money from them, offering Fiverr, freelancing, or agency services and make money. You can post them on social media, get warm and engaged traffic to your affiliate offers, and make affiliate commissions. You can sell these kind of products or services on platforms like Etsy, or you can independently sell your products or services through your own store or website. Opportunities are unlimited. Nowadays, you can simply ask AI, and AI will tell you what you can do with something, how you can make money. AI will tell you step by step what you need to do. Most of the times, you won't even have to spend money out of pocket. All you need is the right tool that is beginner friendly, that gives you unlimited opportunity without charging monthly or annual recurring fees. We launched a brand new AI platform, and for the launch, we are offering an extremely low price. I can guarantee you, once the launch is over, either we will raise the price or we will turn it into monthly or annual recurring. We want to reward the fast action takers. So whatever price you see somewhere near this video or below this video, that's the lowest price right now. If you go from this page and come back later, you may see a higher price or a recurring price point. If that happens, I want to apologize in advance that I won't be able to do anything. So the best time to get this software and start using AI and start making money using this Ghibli or anime trend. So go ahead, look for the buy button somewhere near this video, make the tiny investment and grab your opportunity right now. And we will see you inside.